Welcome to the Institut Français Language Center tutorial on using Teams and breakout rooms. This guide will help you navigate through the essential steps for a successful learning experience. To ensure a smooth learning experience, you will need a stable internet connection, use a personal computer. Choose a device with an up-to-date operating system to avoid restrictions common with employer or school-provided platforms. Note that smartphones or tablets may limit access to certain features and group activities. Sign in with a personal email address. Business or school emails might have limitations that could impact your participation. Limit household bandwidth usage. Reduce the number of active devices using the same network to avoid bandwidth congestion, which can affect breakout room functionality and overall device performance. Close unnecessary applications. Shutting down other programs can enhance your computer's performance during the session. Close all tabs on your browser. First, use the app instead of the web version. Click on the download link in the email invitation from the Institute to get started with the Teams desktop app. Next, join MS Teams Institut Français. Switch to the Institut Français profile by selecting your profile icon and choosing the appropriate option. This will give you access to all necessary classes, files, and materials. Once you switch to the correct account, you will see MS Teams Institut Français at the top of your screen. You can now join calls, explore files, and participate in breakout rooms with your tutor and peers. During your class, you will receive a prompt to join the breakout room. Click Join Room to collaborate with your peers in a smaller group setting. Thank you for following this tutorial. We hope you have a great learning experience at the Institut Français.